How to turn off fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here just click account and privacy and scroll down until you find this one, fingerprint lock. Click on it, and then if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click here, one click, and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.